So what is trade line credit? Well, that is a business line of credit, a line of credit in the name of your business that you can only use at one store. You can only use it at a gas station, or you can only use it at a lumber yard, or you can only use it in an office supply store. So trade line credit is money, is a line of credit in the name of your business, but it's not money. You can only use that line of credit to buy gasoline or to buy lumber. So my program is not about trade line credit, which some people, that may be all they're familiar with business lines of credit. This is literally a money system that will show you very easily how to get the cash to do any kind of business activity. You know, as I mentioned, people use this system very heavily to invest in real estate. I've been fortunate. I've bought and sold over $8 million worth of real estate in the last 3 years without using any of my own money, simply using these business lines of credit. You can also use lines of credit to invest in the stock market. Some people are aware of strategies where you can buy a block of stock using a business line of credit, and then you can go ahead and sell covered calls on that stock that you now own with this business line of credit. And the reason that people do that is it generates monthly income. So imagine that. You can generate monthly income simply by selling options, what's called stock options, on stock that you own that you were able to purchase and control using a business line of credit. I mean, it just boggles the mind, the things that are available to people who have this money system. You can start any kind of business you want, brick-and-mortar business, internet business, using this money system. In fact, eBay says that 600,000 people a year make a full-time or a part-time income running an eBay business. So the sky's the limit. You know, anything that you want to do that you need money for. I've even got friends that they invest in livestock. You know, the old adage, they buy low, they sell high, but you need money to do that. So truly any business that you can dream up, you can use these business lines of credit to make come true. And I know that for a fact because once upon a time, I actually used a business line of credit to invest in a thoroughbred racehorse. My dream was I wanted to start a horse racing syndicate and try and win the Kentucky Derby. Well, unfortunately, when I got a look at the horse that I had purchased, I knew that we weren't going to win the Derby. And the joke there, Brad, is that's not a horse. That's actually a donkey.
and we've split this up so that there are people who are listening just to the audio, so the picture we're seeing is pretty funny.
Absolutely. It is a very cute donkey, but to be sure. And, the joke that I tell my students is, I don't know much about thoroughbred horses, but I know a lot about business. That's been my background basically, since I was a little kid. What I like to say is, I started my first business as a newspaper route when I was 8 years old. My mother was an accountant. She was a CPA. She made me get a checkbook. I was the only 8-year-old I've ever known that actually had a checking account so that I could collect the money from my customers, put it in there, and then pay for the newspaper. So I've got a business background that goes way, way back. And when I was 25, I started my first official business. I actually spent 5 years as a Jana King National Office Cleaning franchisee. That was a great experience. I bought that franchise with a business line of credit. During the big .com run-up, I actually started, developed, and then sold off internet service companies like travel agencies on the web, things like that. But the one business that I actually learned the most about how to get and how to use lines of credit was a landscaping company. So if you know anything about landscaping or construction businesses, they're what we call very capital intense.